Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. For the new ones, you're very much welcome on this channel. We do cooking, vlogs, DIY, fashion. So you're very much welcome. Please consider subscribing and be part of my squad, my family. So in today's video, I've ordered this kimono and a pants from my sister, which is in Burundi. I told her that I was looking for something like this, and then she just went, bought material, and then she made the kimono and the pants, and she sent them to me. So in today's video, we're going to try them out and see if what I ordered, it's what I got, or it was just a mess. But first of all, guys, she did the outfit, but when it came, let me show you. The pants was kind of too big, and the kimono, I wanted something that will be fitting, but it was too baggy. Okay, I guess that is the design that I ordered, but let me show you. You see how the pants was too big and how the kimono is. I was not kind of pleased, so I had to take it to the tailor. And guys, I had this material like these two. I've been having them for almost a year. So I was like, let me just take them also to the tailor and then make some kimonos. So now let me show you the final results. So this is the pants now. It fits perfectly. Yeah. So the kimono, I decided to not make it fitting. I'll just try a hack and see how it goes. So this is the full outfit, and I really love it. She did a kind of good job. I love the outfit. So yeah, this is the pants, but let me try on with a white vest instead of a black one. So this is it with a white vest. So I kind of think like she did a good job. I love the kimono. It's nice, it's fancy, it's chic. I feel like the rich auntie. The reason why I wanted to take it to the tailor and make it fitting, because it was for this, let me show you, this design of the. So you see, like here and here, there is this design that it has, but if I make it baggy, you can't see it. But if it's kind of like this, you can see it nicely, and even down, the pants can show nicely. So this is the trick that I decided to do. Voila! So when I had like the pin, they hold. Yeah, I don't even show. So they hold so that at least you can see nicely the design of the kimono, and I love it. I really love it. So sis, thank you so much. I love this outfit. I feel like a rich auntie. Let me try to add a bag, and then you add a bag to complete the look and look like the real rich auntie. So guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about the kimono. She nailed it or she failed. So this is the model and this is my photo. Let us know. Try on the other kimono that I took to the tailor with this pant and try to design it and see how we are going to look like. So I like them. that me being like, I don't know, the rich auntie vibe? So let me know what you guys think about this one. Let me know in the comment section. So now let's try on the pink kimono. I guess this one, the bralette goes well with the green kimono more than the pink kimono. But yeah, sometimes I can just decide to mix them up. Let me try on with the black one and see. Yeah, let me try with the black bralette. So this is the black one. What do you guys think? Or maybe I should get this color, yeah, top. I guess that one will go well with this one. But okay, this all outfit, it's giving me like beach vibe. Now I need to go on a vacation. Let me start manifesting trips. I'm manifesting trips now. So guys, but I wish this one was white instead of black. I don't have a white one. I guess I will look for a white one. I guess it will match well with a white one or maybe a green one. Ah, by the way, let's try the green one and see how, yeah, this is going to go. Okay, I guess white goes better, but even the green one is nice. Yeah. Boss lady. Not auntie again. Now I feel like, yeah, I'm a boss lady. See, that's bad. Okay, I don't know. I don't know, but it's nice. So let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite one. Let me know in the comment section which one did you like the most. I guess this will be the end of our video. So guys, if you watched till the end of the video, please comment down below so that I can know you stayed this long. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't. I've missed doing fashion videos, but I guess now I'll be doing at least once a month. So thank you so much. Till next time. Bye. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you watched till the end, till here, comment down below. Down below. Yes, down below.